Weight loss yoga. Yoga for beginners poses. Do you know that you can lose weight doing yoga even as a beginner? In this video, I will share some yoga poses that any yoga beginner can do to lose weight right from home. Yoga is an excellent way to burn fat, strengthen your muscles, and improve flexibility at the same time. Plus, it does wonders for your circulation and mental health. It is also arguably the best type of workout for people who have been sedentary for a long while, but are looking to improve how their body looks and functions. Here are some of the most beneficial weight loss yoga poses for beginners. Tree pose. Stand on your mat with your feet around hip-width apart. Bend your left leg and rest your foot as high as you can on the inner portion of your right thigh. Lift your arms and let your palms meet above your head. Engage your core to keep your balance. Hold the tree pose for 30 seconds before doing the same on the other leg. Goddess pose. Start with a wide stance and your feet turn slightly outwards. Hold your palms together at chest level. Lower yourself straight down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Slowly bring yourself back up to straighten your legs before lowering yourself back down. Keep taking yourself up and down for at least 30 seconds. Warrior 3 pose. Stand on your mat with your feet together. Raise your arms over your head and hold your palms together. Keep your right leg planted on the mat as you bend over and keep your left leg aligned with your back. When you're bent at a 90-degree angle, hold the position for 30 seconds before straightening up to your original standing position. Switch legs and repeat for another 30 seconds. Triangle pose. Start with a wide stance where your feet are approximately 4 feet away from each other. Keep your left foot angled to the side while your right foot is pointed forward. Slowly bend your body to reach your left heel with your left hand. Simultaneously, extend your right arm upwards so that your fingers are pointing straight up to the ceiling. Hold this triangle position for 30 seconds. Switch sides and do the same for another 30 seconds. Boat pose. Start by sitting on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat. Lean back slightly and lift your arms at the knee level. Slowly straighten up your legs so that your body forms a V shape with only your butt touching the mat. Hold your neck neutral by focusing your gaze on your feet. Hold the position for 30 seconds. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly with your legs stretched out. Place your palms flat on the mat at the shoulder level and keep your elbows clipped close to your body. Push your upper body up to lift your chest off the floor while keeping your thighs and the tops of your feet pressed on the mat. Hold the top position for 30 seconds before lowering yourself down. For beginners, weight loss yoga might seem incredibly challenging. But don't worry if you can't perfect the poses right away. Just try your best to get them right and keep challenging yourself to do better. Eventually, you will be able to improve your form and hold your poses for more extended periods. Nonetheless, every effort you make will count towards your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.